Up for sale, 1967 Pontiac Catalina. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, Pontiac Catalina, 1967. It's finished in blue with blue interior. Number matching 400, turbo 400 automatic, power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. Got the spinner hubcaps on there. And yeah, you know how it is. Walk around it, point out flaws that I see, and then we'll drive it. So we'll start over here, work our way through the front, open the engine compartment, and then go around the car. It's got its all original chrome on it, chrome and trim, whatnot. So of course, some of the chrome has a little bit of pitting on it. See a little bit more there and down there. There's a couple little chips on the car. It's a very nice quality paint, just a little bit older, so you're going to see a couple of touch-ups and some marks on it in a few spots on the car. The body is straight, and it has its fender skirts in the back. Hood fitment is pretty nice. See there, a little mark, chip, a couple more marks right there, a few more over there, another one there. Glass is very nice. The window molding is actually in really nice condition, as well as the trim that goes around the window and whatnot. Dash pad does not have any cracks in it. So let me pop it open here. Nice factory correct engine bay. You see the AC there, power steering and power brakes. The fender tag is in place. And the underhood is nice, got nice hood insulation on there. Nice little attention to detail thing. So we'll carry on down here. And there's a little touch up and another little mark that's been touched up. I love the way the Firestone white letter Firehawk tires look with the hubcaps on the car. Give it a very nice look. We'll carry on here. A couple other miscellaneous marks. A couple touch-ups right there. Door fitment is nice. I had a 68 Grand Prix, so similar rear portion of the car. That design that you see right there. Again, trim around the window, whatnot. Looks very nice. A couple more marks up there. We'll hop in the car. Looks to have a lot of its original interior in it, so the door panel's got a little bit of wear, but it's very nice and presentable nonetheless. Nicely painted in there. You see the VIN tag. There's the body by Fisher molding down there. Looks pretty good, as well as the door jamb here. The seats definitely look to have been reupholstered and are in very, very nice condition actually. And the rear seat is too. Headliner looks excellent with the working dome light on top. Nice visors. Really nice headliner. Nice factory steering wheel. little touch-up right there. A little bit of marking around this lip there. A couple areas, and I see there's a little bubble and two other tiny ones right there. But there are no other bubbles back there. I did see, nope, that came off. There's a couple more marks on the paint. Actually, let me pop the trunk real quick while I'm coming up on it. Trunk fitment's nice. The rear back of the car, actually the chrome in the back is in very nice condition. Couple marks down on the chrome there, and it's got chrome dual exhaust tips, so it gives it a nice look from the back. Another touch up, and then there's, you see it here, a couple little bubbles and some spots on the back of the lid. Jack, it looks like an original spare for the car. But the trunk pan's nice and solid. It looks to be pretty original in there. You see its original quarter. And another original quarter there. And yeah, it looks like the body mount was repaired there. Other than that, very solid. And under trunk lid is actually in very nice condition as well. Nicely painted. Let me skip here. Actually, I'm seeing a little on this back bumper there. Let me squeeze by here. One tiny bubble there, and another tiny bubble right there. And then there's a couple. There's one, couple more right there. One more right there, and a little scratch right there. Put the key back in the pocket. Little marks on the paint. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. 1967 Pontiac Catalina. Number matching 400, turbo 400. Automatic trans, power steering, power brakes, factory AC. And we are going to fire her up now. And then drive it. So again, thanks for watching. And here we go.